he does not get away.
In other news today, separatist turned politician Sajjad Lone takes a direct dig at the National Conference and the PDP, claiming a threat to his life. The most followed leader in the ongoing Kashmir polls calls the NC and the PDP as cold-blooded and white-collared killers.
The biggest high-voltage campaign and the most followed candidate this polls in the valley was that of former separatist, now a politician and a strong challenger, Sajjad Lone.
Why Handwara is very important is for Sajjad Lone candidature, and of course National Conference's Chaudhry Ramzan, who's going to give him a strong fight. But for the home of Abdul Ghani Lone, people have decided here perhaps to use that very opportunity. Will it be a career favor for Sajjad Lone, or could it backfire and instead work for the National Conference?
In the run-up to polls,
will have decided here perhaps to use that very opportunity. Will it be a career favor for Sajjad Lone, or could it backfire and instead work for the National Conference?
In the run-up to polls, Sajjad Lone left no stone unturned to use his father, Abdul Ghani Lone's legacy, while also attacking the National Conference and the PDP.
Well, you see, to be able to inspire people to come out, you need a hero. People don't come out for a villain. Apart from the boycott factor, one of the factors of low polling is the presence of a lot of villains in the political landscape that you have. So I think they have a hero.
Are you banking upon your father's popularity also?
You can't accuse me of being my father's son. I am his son.
His meeting with the Prime Minister ahead of polls, sparking off rumours on a possible alliance with BJP, making his rivals sit up and take him seriously.
रमजान साहब को वोट के लिए नरेंद्र मोदी साहब के जूते साफ करने की जरूरत नहीं है। आज अचानक आपके एक लीडर को नरेंद्र मोदी में भाई नजर आता है। ओ चलो, जो भाई इस रियासत से 3 को 70 को दफा करना, जॉन साहब ये भाई आपको ही मुबारक है, हमें इस तरह के भाई नहीं चाहिए।
After all the high-profile drama, Sajjad's fate got sealed today with polling in Handwara. While he blames PDP and NC for trying everything to get him out of the way, will the people of Jammu and Kashmir give a chance to the son of Ghani Lone? And will he be the crucial factor for BJP's Mission 44? Bureau Report, Times Now.